this video, we will show you how to solve a DNS Zone entry already exist error while adding Addon Domain in your cPanel account. Sometimes in our cPanel account, when we are trying to add an add-on domain or subdomain, we face a specific error, that is, DNS Zone entry already exists. Let us go to cPanel and then create an add-on domain over here. After we have created this add-on domain, we are seeing this type of error, that is a DNS entry for the domain sapphire.sappphotography.tk already exists. This means this domain actually exists in our server, which is unable to overwrite. Now, in order to solve this, go to Advanced Zone Editor and then select a most probable domain under which it falls. Now from here, we can see several zones or DNS. We just have to clear or delete that DNS which is causing a conflict. This means we just need to delete that domain which already exists. Now also remove all the associated records like mail, A records, SPF records, etc., which is also affiliated with the same domain. Now again go to cPanel account and then go to remove add-on domain. Now if you find the same domain over here, simply delete it by clicking over remove. Now confirm the removal by pressing the remove button. Now you will find that the add-on domain is now successfully removed. Now if you again try to create an add-on domain, you will be able to create it successfully. Now if you are a WHM reseller, then the process is somewhat different. You simply need to go inside DNS Zone removal section, which is given under DNS function. Now select the same domain name which has a conflict and then delete the DNS Zone affiliated with that domain. Once you delete the DNS Zone from here, the complete problem will be resolved now. Now, if you will try to create an add-on domain or a subdomain from the cPanel account, it will be created successfully. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you are also facing the same issue and would like to get rid of it, simply switch your hosting services to redserverhost.com for premium level support.